Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the due date in Jira. Let's get started. First, go to Jira and log in your account. This section will lead you to your dashboard where you will click on your preferred project. In this new tab containing your project, click on the All Work tab from the navigation menu above. In here, look for the ticket you want to change the due date of. And using this scroll bar down here, scroll all the way to the right side and you can find your due date here. Click on it to type in a new due date for this ticket, or you may also click on this calendar icon so you can open the calendar view and you can choose your due date from here. And that is how you can change the due date in Jira. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.